Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick simple grocery haul. Nothing very exciting. I still wanted to share because this is kind of like a in-between kind of filler grocery haul with a couple other special items thrown in. I got some milk, some jumbo butter biscuits, some Little Debbie's honey buns, some more giant marshmallows for s'mores, got a couple apples. I got a chocolate frosting and a yellow cake mix. John's mom used to make yellow cake with chocolate icing and it was just so delicious, and I've been kind of craving it lately, so got that. I picked up some of these original baked beans because we're going to start grilling. Got Connor one of these Tummy Yummies, the Berry Blast water drink. I also picked him up 2 of these Lunchables, a nachos cheese dip and salsa, and the turkey and American cracker stacker for a couple, if he wants to take his lunch or just have this at home, doesn't matter. Just got him 2 of those, and I got some of the oven roasted turkey breast for sandwiches, as well as the ultra thin roast beef. Also for sandwiches I picked up some of the J. Higgs popcorn in the cheese flavor. We've never tried this one before, but I just thought we'd give it a try. And I got some of these Herner's buns, and I got a loaf of bread. I also picked up a case of water and some cherry coke, and I got 3 packages of meat. So the first pack, these are the pick 5 ones, but I didn't do a pick 5 today. I just needed like 3 packs of meat. And I just literally today was just a shopping trip for things that I needed as filler. I got a package of chicken breast, and I'm gonna make barbecue chicken with this. I got a package of minute steaks, which these are absolutely delicious. They're so tender. I put them in a pan with non-stick, Worcester sauce, and I will probably butcher that, a little bit of water to line the pan. I cover it in foil and cook these for 45 minutes in the oven on 350, and they're absolutely so tender, falling apart. You can barely pick them up with your fork. They're delicious. I salt and pepper them a little bit as well. Recommend trying those out. And just a pre-pattied beef patties for the grill. So yeah, these we'll probably have with like some kind of side veggies and baked potato or something. Burgers go without saying, maybe fries, maybe packet potatoes on the grill or something like that. And then for barbecue chicken, I think we'll do barbecue chicken, some baked beans, and some potato salad. But that is all I picked up at Save-A-Lot today, and this was about $67. So I hope you enjoyed the little grocery haul. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box as well as the cards, and stay tuned for more videos.